For sewing machines to work properly, they need to be threaded correctly in the top part of the machine, but also in the bobbin. This is one place that a lot of people kind of shy away from. So let me show you the exact way you want to put your bobbin in your bobbin case, and then how to make sure it is properly inserted into the machine. So first off, your bobbin needs to be situated so the thread is coming off the right side of it. At that point, drop it down into the bobbin case. Now the bobbin case is something you want to kind of be fragile about. If for any reason you drop this bobbin case on a very solid floor, it could actually kind of bend or squish and it's not perfectly round. So just got to be aware. If you got carpet like I do, I don't ever have to worry about that part of it. So you want to make sure that your bobbin is always spinning clockwise. Then you're going to find along the side where that small little groove is, bring it down the groove, and then just kind of hug it next to the edge of the bobbin case and down into this little kind of lower finger area. So the thread just kind of sits below that point. This is the top of the bobbin case. So if you rotate that so it's facing up, then you can pull this latch out with your index finger and it will actually make it so your bobbin doesn't fall out while you're holding it. So next you want to put it all the way into the machine, give it a little tilt to the right. So you kind of see that that latch is angled just a little bit, about 330. If that is not pushed in all the way, it's just pushed in there, well, it's not all the way in place. So you need to be able to see, if I may, this little spindle, that little center part needs to be flush with the front of the bobbin case. Now to bring your bobbin thread up, hold on to your top thread, the one that's coming out of your needle, and then reach over to your hand wheel and turn it towards you. You're going to take one full stitch and it'll actually, you can almost see there was that thread that swung around, and that is what connects the two threads together. And then I just lifted up the center of the foot. See that little loop? That's the bobbin thread. You can get a hold of it, and up comes the bobbin thread. Slide it back underneath the presser foot, and now you're actually ready to stitch. Now also down here, just since we're here, this is the lever for the feed dogs up or down. So if those teeth are not up, make sure that this has pushed all the way to the left side, and then they will be engaged for sewing. So if for any reason they get pushed down and it's over there, well, your fabric won't feed through. So make sure that's just always pushed closest to your bobbin case, and close that up and give it a go.